Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I received a box. This is from my best friend Michelle. Hi Michelle, if you're watching this. And it was a surprise. She told me she was sending something, but I didn't know what it was. But I opened it up today and it is the cutest thing. I haven't even looked. I've just opened it up to see this. It says Bestie Box Spring Edition. So cool. And there's a little card in here. I'll open up and show you the card, but I'll read it off camera. Oh, this is so cute. Look at that. It's adorable. I love it. It's so cute. Aw. Oh, cool. Wow. This is awesome. She knows me and my favorite colors. So here are some pretty flowers. Very cool. Here's a little envelope. Cute little bunny clothespin. Looks like she stamped some images. Very cool. Little tiny cards. Those are cute. Some eggs. Another bird one and a bunny. Oh, that's adorable. Very cool. And here's another little envelope. Nope, over here. It's a little die cut. It says Happy Spring, and then it looks like this has a bunch of little flowers in it. Bunch of paper flowers. Nice. Michelle is also a crafter, and she is also the person that I go hiking and backpacking with, so she loves to do that as well. I love this bag. It's so pretty. Oh, this looks like some cupcake picks. These are cool. Really pretty. I love the glitter. So cool. Put those back in there. And here's some more flowers. Those are really pretty. Love that. And then here is a little, oh, this is so cute. She put a little bunny on the outside, or maybe she bought that. Yeah, it looks like that. It came like that. This is adorable. Open the top. I'll show you what's in it. And get it open. There we go. These are, oh, I love these. Bunch of flower stamps. And then there's some glitter glue. I love this kind. It's kind of like the, what is it called? Stickles? But it's the Michaels brand, but it works just as great. Alright, there's that. And oh, here's a Kisses flavored lip balm. And then a thing of really pretty ribbon. And my focus isn't very good here. Rose loves it all too. She came to look. She loves that grass, by the way, but probably shouldn't let her have that because she'd probably eat it. And then she sent me, ooh, that sounds like it would smell really good. lavender lemonade. It's for the wax melt thing. And then here is another candle, lemon cookie. Ooh, that smells really good. Get it open. I'm gonna smell it. No, I guess it doesn't screw off. It just comes off. Ooh. Ooh, that smells so good. And then the last thing here. Oh, there's a little tiny, I don't know what that came off of. And then here is another thing of ribbon. That's really pretty. I think this is messing with my focus. Move it out of the way. So yeah, look at all this. What a nice surprise. Thank you so much, Michelle. And be sure to look out in your mail coming soon. Probably be sending you one of these too. All right. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.